Animated videos, general overview. Okay, so I just want to go over the basic elements of the video creator or the animated video creator. So let's go up top to the left. Really self-explanatory. It's going to be new project here. View tutorials and come here if you need to brush up on your skills. Check out some things, whatever. You can do that right there. Show my projects is going to show all the projects that you're currently working on or have uploaded so far. Encoded is going to be all the ones that you've already exported yourself for whatever reason. All right, log out top right. Export when you're all done here. Save is going to be right here, this little greenish yellow button. You can rename your project at any given time by just coming here, say example, pressing OK. OK, project renamed, and that's good to go. Now in the left hand column, we have our slide. So this is how we duplicate our slide here on this button. On this slide, this is how we clone objects to a slide. So if we have an object here, say if I put an object, and I want to clone the objects on this slide, I'll do so like this, and then she'll now appear on a new slide here. Okay, that can be very helpful in certain situations. You're just going to click on the frame that you want to get rid of, if that's the case, and this is how you're going to delete and add slides as well. Now if we come over to the right hand side, we're going to get into our library. So we have everything from our animated characters, static characters, objects, faces that you can put together, so you can make your own avatars here. Put together the hair, the face, the eyes, the nose, all of those things here. Okay, so let those load up so we can see a couple examples that we have. All right, you can just scroll here and get your look down. Now what we can also do is put in image placeholders, kind of like frames. Props as well is going to be different objects. Markers going to be something similar as well, and shapes are going to be shapes. Now if we come over here, this is going to be our text. This is where you edit your text. You can center, left, right, just a basic text editor. Now what you can also do is choose an enter effect here. Now if you scroll up and down, you'll be able to see the different effects that you can add into your text and then put them right onto your slideshow. When you're done, you just select insert text here. It's going to show up here. Now if you want to get rid of objects, you simply select on it and click on the delete on your keyboard like so. Okay, I'm going to come here and delete him as well. Alright, now we're going to come over here to our backgrounds, and we can go blank, or we can choose one of our preloads here as they load up as well. Now what we can also do is go to our images and place these as backgrounds, or just simply insert them onto our slideshow. We can even integrate with Flickr, Pixabay, and the camera is going to be on your desktop or your external site. I'm just going to pull from there. Okay, music is going to be, we have a lot of preloads here that you can go through and choose from to get certain sounds and sound effects to place into your slideshow. They're all royalty free, so don't worry about anything in that aspect. Now you can import your own sound as well, record directly into the platform, and we even have a text-to-speech option for you as well. Okay, now if you search here, you can search for just about anything. You can find the sound that you need at any particular moment. Now if we come back here, we're going to go down to our animations. Alright, and this is just different animations. It's going to be the same old song. You're going to be able to come here, select these, either put them up as the background, or you can put them just onto the slideshow as a part of your main piece. Now I kind of skipped over the videos here, but it's going to be the same deal. Either as a background, you can loop it here by selecting this button, or you can just place it onto the slideshow as a part of your visual. Alright, this is just going to be canvas effects here, and this is just going to be information on the actual platform, the version, etc., etc. Now if we come to the bottom, we'll see that we can zoom in and out. This is going to be in reference to our frame here. So if we go minus here, we can go small, or if we want to go larger, we can do so as well. If we want to line things up really perfect, or as perfect as possible, we have a grid option for you that you can utilize yourself. If you want to flip objects, for example, if I was to take a character here, let's just say this lady, and I'll select her and select on flip, I can put her in the opposite direction. Okay. Now another thing that we can go over is this little slider here. This is going to give you more I guess visual on your timeline. So as you add in different objects, they're going to have their own timeline, as you'll see here. Each one is going to come with their own. As you get more, you'll be able to come up and down and give yourself more space to work with those. Okay, I'm going to get these out of our way, And this is the play button. So this is going to be just the play. This is going to be play from start. This is just going to be controlling your volume. It's going to be controlling your music. So if you insert any sounds or audios, show camera, we're going to go over in another tutorial, but this is going to be a really cool feature that you can utilize in order to move your objects from point A to point B onto your slideshow. All right, and this is going to be your little canvas here. Plus or minus is going to give you more time on your canvas. And this is the redo and the undo buttons down at the bottom. Okay, I'll talk to you in future tutorials.